here in the middle. Guys, look, we got Mackie fitted. Stop playing. With the candy cane and the clipboard? Nah, just kidding. Guys, there's a stage getting set up. Okay guys, RX-7 is here. Guys, that is so sick. Check out the RX-7. Alright guys. Yo, what up? How are you, bro? Good to see you. What's up?
The cars have already parked.
How many? There's someone in the trunk too?
Maybe 2 people at all times.
Alright, I'm gonna park you guys in a
2 people at
sec.
all times.
Alright guys, update. So far, we got some regular cars parking in. We're parking the VIP cars going all inside this mall right now. We have the Liberty Walk team that just pulled up with a bunch of really dope cars. What's up guys, how are you? So we're about to park all these guys in here right now. This is about to be crazy. Alright guys. Hey, what's up? We got Rochelle and Justin and their cars. Oh, what up, bro? Good, how are you? Good to see you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, enjoy the show. We got Kayla's car. Bro, say what's up to the vlog, bro. We got Mr. Outcast. What up, what up, what up? Alright guys, check this out. Stop playing. Hey, did you guys see how I brought the RX-7? It's on the trailer.
I know, it's right there.
That's crazy, huh? Bro. Check it out, guys. We got this beautiful Lambo, this beautiful Supra. And oh my gosh, look who it is. What are y'all doing, bro? You guys will say what's up to the vlog, bro?
What's going on, vlog?
So what's up, bro? We ran into this guy.
One of my homies called, he registered. He said he's in the front and he can't get in. He said it's closed off, but he registered. He has a license.
With this
Do you
guy.
guys want to let him in? Hey, Rodney, do you mean a bagged Mustang?
Can you rev it one last time? Oh shit! Fuck my hoodie.
Super packed. Everything's going good so far. What's up? You want to see what's up to the vlog? What up?
Come on down, let's get it.
Let's go. Hey, what up, bro?
competition.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
It sounds like a race where there were no winners. In fact, San Antonio police tell us several people who took part in a street race now are facing trouble with the law. Officers say they were caught them just after the race broke up at the intersection of East South Cross and W.W. White Road. Katrina Weber is there with a live report. Now, that seems like...
And I call back. Niggas tryna flex. Tell me that I'm lost. I'm located in the back though. Don't even wanna check.
All right, guys, give it up. Thanks. Thank you.
Don't even wanna check. Niggas still wanna call it a day. Approach me, ain't got shit to say. Talk
Keish, this guy not only made all of this happen, but he is one of the most hardworking people I know. Making all this happen, guys.
Hey, Andrew. It's down the street, Andrew.
Like we can stand like this close to our cars. Yeah. I feel like we've never.
How's it looking?
I'm gonna go get some of my watermelon downstairs.
What's so funny? Are you being racist to yourself?
No.
You're literally racist to yourself.
No, that's not what this is.
You're literally
I've
racist
already
to yourself.
said this, and now you're making me have
Yeah.
to rehearse it.
Right.
Now it's not natural.
Bro, you're racist to yourself. Alright guys, just picked up the trophies right now. Here's all of them. So we did top 20 of show, best vendor, and then we also did... Stop playing. Stop playing. We got Sebastian. Sebastian in the video. We got Sebastian. Hey, we get a video of us putting one on his fucking sweater.
That'd be dope, man.
Dang. What? You're taking this. Wait, was it your turn?
I've been in channel my inner Danny, you know? 16 videos of me beating the hookah.
Here, let me grab it. Alright, ready?
Hi. Oh, you want that? Oh, no, not the kitchen. The house.
Here it is.
Is that what you're gonna wait today? You like low key?
Damn. Shout out to Leek.
That shit hard. That shit hard. That shit hard. Shout out to Sebastian.
Wait, this is
Kick me 100.
Nah, don't sit on it.
You just wanna look and see what you do. You're like, what is that?
Hell, bro, this is hard.
Wait, something's off. She give me grape.
No, I definitely get that. I'm excited for this project.
Hold on. Who's the winner? That's you?
Yeah.
No way, bro. Congrats.
Nice to meet you.
What, your name is
Taylor Johnson.
Taylor Johnson. Here he is. He just pulled up. That's freaking crazy, bro.
Yeah,
Congrats.
freaking crazy. Thank you.
Okay, man. Well, here, pull up all the way to the front. Oh, here you go. And then you have the keys? Let's give him the keys. Broski, here you go.
Way, that's out of control. Please don't.
What's up, guys? We're with the 350Z winner right here. He has the keys in his hand. He's about to do the first startup. I'm super excited. Okay. Here she is.
Start it up. Yeah.
Yep, that's all you, bro. Yeah, it's not mine no more. I have a couple stuff in there I need to get out though. Wait, that was a kid. It's in gear, so let's put it in neutral and give it a start. Everyone is dead. Today was a crazy turnout. Thank you to everyone that came. And shout out to the guy that won my 350Z. Enjoy it, bro. Take it to the track and slide that thing. That's what it's for. So, big things coming. And yeah, we're exhausted. We're exhausted, guys. We'll update you more in the next video. But peace out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys soon.